The Mooyran Star Projector, also known as the Galaxy Projector for Bedroom, is a unique decorative lighting device designed to transform any indoor space into a starry night sky filled with nebula effects. It comes in a distinctive astronaut design with a pink exclusive color option that adds a modern and futuristic aesthetic to bedrooms, kids' rooms, gaming areas, and home theaters. This projector is not only a source of ambient light, but also a functional piece of room decor that appeals to both children and adults alike. One of the standout features of the Mooyran Star Projector is its ability to project 8 different nebula effects, creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. The projection covers the ceiling and walls, filling the room with vibrant colors and twinkling stars that mimic a real night sky. Users have praised the quality of the projection, noting that it does not look like a simple photo or image, but rather a realistic starry sky experience. The colors are bright and vivid, and the stars twinkle gently, which many find calming and perfect for winding down before sleep or enhancing movie nights and parties. The projector is equipped with a remote control that offers convenient adjustments for brightness, rotation speed, and breathing rate of the light effects. This allows users to customize the ambiance according to their preferences. Additionally, the timer function can be set for 45 or 90 minutes, ensuring the device turns off automatically, which is especially helpful for children falling asleep under the stars. The astronaut's head is magnetically attached, allowing for easy adjustment of the projection angle, and the removable moon base along with posable arms add to its charm and versatility as a decorative piece. Durability and usability have received mixed reviews. Many users report that the projector is sturdy and durable, capable of withstanding accidental drops without damage. It also runs cool to the touch even after hours of use, which adds to safety and comfort. However, some customers experienced issues with the device failing after a short period, such as the projector not turning on despite using the remote and power switch correctly. While these cases seem isolated, they highlight a potential concern regarding long-term reliability. The manufacturer has been responsive in some cases, replacing defective units to maintain customer satisfaction. The projector's size is compact, measuring approximately 5 inches in diameter, 6 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, making it suitable for placement on nightstands or desks without occupying much space. It weighs only 0.8 ounces, which contributes to its portability within the home. The build material is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, giving it a polished and modern finish that complements contemporary room decor. Power is supplied via a USB cable, and the device is not cordless nor battery operated, which some users wish could be improved for greater flexibility and portability. The light source is an LED bulb with a wattage of 5 watts, ensuring energy efficiency while providing ample illumination for the star and nebula projections. The Mooyran Star Projector is highly rated on Amazon, with an average of 4.5 stars from over 13,800 ratings. It ranks well within the home and kitchen category and holds the top spot in kids' room decor, lamps, and lighting. This reflects its popularity and the positive reception from a wide range of users. Users appreciate the dual control options, both via remote and manual settings on the astronaut itself, which adds convenience. The color options are diverse and vibrant, though some users desire the ability to change the color of the stars independently from the nebula effects. The green electric color of the stars is distinctive and generally well-liked, though personal preferences vary. In terms of ambiance, the projector excels in creating a soothing environment that helps children and adults alike relax and fall asleep. It also enhances the vibe of gaming rooms and home theaters by adding an immersive space-themed atmosphere. The device serves well as a nightlight for kids, providing comfort and a visually engaging experience. On the downside, the brightness of the lights can be a bit intense for those who prefer a darker room environment at night. However, the ability to turn the lights off or adjust brightness helps mitigate this issue. Some users have noted the need to carefully position the astronaut on its base to ensure stability, especially with the black color variant. Overall, the Mooyran Star Projector is a delightful addition to any room looking for a touch of cosmic magic. Its design, projection quality, and ease of use make it a compelling choice for those interested in star projectors that double as decorative pieces. While there are occasional concerns about durability and power options, the overwhelmingly positive feedback and the immersive experience it offers make it a recommended product for families and individuals who enjoy ambient lighting and space-themed decor. If you own this projector, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This projector stands out as a fun, calming, and visually stunning gadget that brings the beauty of the night sky indoors.